It's glitter mail time. I am taking a quick break to open up this box from LMNOP Design Boutique. So let's see what we've got in here. I will get links to the store and stuff down in the description. Ordered a ton. She had a lot of sets, so I ordered quite a few sets. I'm trying to get to my shipping invoice at the bottom. Because I can't remember, obviously, what would have come in a set. So, and one of these was a grab bag, I believe. So, alright. So I'm just going to get started because that's like a lot. And then I'll figure out what went with what sets. So I have Smurfs, which I am going to think may have come out of the grab bag. I don't remember ordering that one. And I think this one might also be grab bag, rainbow fish, although that is super pretty. Dream catcher, which looks like shards, I believe. Jaded. Ooh, funfetti. This one's cute. Almost matte. And pink punch. Okay, so I think, I could be wrong, they could be from one of the other sets, but I do believe these were the $25 grab bag. Possibly also Black Galaxy. Because I wouldn't have ordered this because I already have it, even though it is freaking an awesome color. And this one's So Spicy, maybe from the grab bag. Ooh, Bluebird is really pretty. This one I did order as a separate color. I want to try a tack it with this one. I think it's going to be super pretty. So I'm going to set these ones over here. Like I said, I believe all of these were from the grab bag for $25. Bluebird. And then I have Coral Reef, which is, wow, stunning. I have a fine coral on its way as well from a different supplier, and I was hoping that this would be like a good bottom to the top of that one. So, and this one, Creamsicle, is just so pretty. I had to have it. And this next four, I believe, should be a pack of whites. So I have a Shattered, Opal Dreams, Olaf, and Ice Ice Baby. A variety of whites. You can never have too many whites. If I'm going to be hydro dipping, I'm going to be going through a ton of whites. So this pack was perfect. She has this one called the Ice Pack on her site. And next I have the Neon Pack. I believe. So I have Pink Panther, The Mask, Neon Sign, and Tiffany's. All bright, bright, brights. And I think there might be one more in here that goes in the Neon Pack. Maybe Tiger King. I'm not sure. This also could be part of the Rainbow Pack, though. I'd have to look further ahead. And I have another white This one's called Hollow Sugar. I do have this one already, and it's really a nice, fine, true white. That little holographic. So I have Pumpkin Spice, Cardinals, Tulip. I think Tiger King might go on this one. Tulips, Cha-Cha-Ching, Grape, Sonic, and Turtle Power. This is listed as the Rainbow Pack, if you wanted just a basic variety of colors. This is a good place to start. I tend to end up ordering the same colors over and over again, so I was looking to get a much bigger variety. So that was what I did here. And she was sweet enough to toss a sticker into my order for me, because I am starting to build a sticker wall, and she'd mentioned on her TikTok live the other day that she had stickers. So that was cool. Now she can be on my sticker wall. All right, what do I have next? I have Figment and Fantasia. Pretty purples. Would probably make a great combined cup, top and bottom. I have Dusty Rose, which is a rose gold chunky mix. I have a similar mix, but I'm just about out, so I needed more. I have Dole Whip, which is a pretty holographic looking yellow. And I have Champagne Silver, because I am just about out of my champagne color. This is a really nice, super, super fine. And this one is called Sunrise. I think this looked similar to the one I was using on my B cups. So I replaced it with this one for now. And then I have Shady Beaches, which is, it kind of looks white, but it's not. It's a slightly tan white. So maybe for the sand on a beach tumbler was what I was thinking for that. So I'm going to have to go back through them and double check my invoice, but this is my haul from LMNOP Design Boutique. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 new glitters here. So I am seeing a lot of tacket tumblers in my future, hopefully. And I was looking for a lot more fines, which is mostly what I ordered, because I'd like to start doing more actual glitter tumblers instead of just not using my glitters for tumblers. So these are all my new pretties. Now I have to figure out where to start. I'm going to make use of one of these Dollar Tree baskets that, you know, I buy to organize and never use, because I have definitely expanded the capabilities of my other glitter storage methods. So I'm going to start sorting them a little bit better. This is so pretty. I really want to get this on a cup, like, right now. Tacket method. I have several cups prepped, but they were intended for other things, but I may not be able to wait. But also, I got a cup delivery today, so, and the sun is shining for now, so, you know, this tulips is going to be super pretty too as a tacket. Actually, a lot of them are. Alrighty, so that is my LMNOP Design Boutique haul. Like I said, I will get the links in the description. I don't know if I can directly link to a TikTok, but I will put her TikTok name in there so you can go find Amy over there if you use TikTok. But she's really awesome. She's very interactive with her customers, and yeah. Alrighty, I will be back later for the next one. Okay, so I had a minute to sort everything out, so I'm going to run over this just real quick. These ones I ordered all individually. The Bluebird, the Champagne Silver, the Dole Whip, the Coral Reef, Dusty Rose, Creamsicle, Figment, Shady Beaches, Sunrise, and Fantasia. The Rainbow Pack was Tulips, Cardinals, Cha-Ching, Turtle Power, Sonic, and Grapes. The Neon was the Pink Panther, the Tiger King, Neon Sign, the Mask, and Tiffany's. The Ice Pack is the Hollow Sugar, the Olaf, Shattered, Opal Dreams, and Ice Ice Baby. And my $25 grab bag included Pumpkin Spice Smurfs, Black Galaxy, Funfetti, Pink Punch, Jaded, So Spicy, Rainbow Fish, and Dreamcatcher. So that $25 grab bag was 9 glitters. So that is my haul from LMNOP Design Boutique.